Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making Mandarin Tarte Tatin. I have preheated my oven to 200 degrees. The first thing I'm going to do is put my saucepan onto a medium heat and add in my caster sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now wait and stir until my sugar has dissolved. To help with the sugar melting, I'm going to also add 60 millilitres of water. My sugar has now dissolved, so I'm going to turn off the heat and leave to one side. I'm now going to take my caramel and pour it over the bottom of my tart dish. I'm going to take my mandarins and line them up over the top of my caramel. I'm now going to take my pastry and lay it over the top. And finally, I'm going to take a fork and prick some holes in the top. And finally, bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now that it has baked, I'm going to turn it out onto my plate. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.